Got a little sprinkle. It's Austen's cooking.
I'm gonna give you guys a quick IKEA haul.
Here's my look today. Okay, I got some Ouijans to try on. My dad is... Where's my dad? Hello, hello. We are back in London. It's the start of a new vlog. I'm so excited because my dad is coming this weekend. Austen's parents are coming next week. And I started my new job. So a lot of big milestones happening. We also are in a really good stint with the weather here. I don't think it's gonna rain for like at least another 4 days, and then we just have sunshine for another 4 days. So it's a beautiful brisk day. I'm heading over to IKEA right now because I want to pick up a few things, and let's get the day started. I made a little pit stop at the TK Maxx, and this one is so much better than the one we have by us. It's so organized and clean. So I gotta come back with Austen because I think we want to get like a braising pot, some sort of like cast iron Dutch oven. Like, look at this pot aisle. It's so organized. And like, look at, I mean, it's just a beautiful looking store. All right, we made it to IKEA. Let's see what we can find. We got a bunch of goodies, and I'll show you guys my haul when I get home.
I'm gonna give you guys a quick IKEA haul. 47 pounds, I'd say I did good. I actually got a mat, a doormat for our shoes because especially with like the rain and stuff, it just gets muddy, leaves. So it's good to have a doormat to wipe your shoes off because our apartment is carpeted. I got 2 packs of these napkins, just good for hosting or if you have like a messy meal, quick cleanup. Got ourselves a grater. The grater that we have is like maybe 20 years old and it's so rusted and just crappy. So I got one of these guys. I picked up 4 of these little bins, and we have a bunch of space on the side of the walls and also like in our entertainment sort of like electrics corner that just need to be covered. Like, it looks so bad to have cords everywhere. So I got these, which the cords can like feed through, and then we can house everything in here. Just always need some organizers. And then because I'm going to work now, I did get some reusable containers for lunches. When I was looking at these, I was like, oh, these look a little bit small. So I picked up 2 sets in case I need like 2 larger ones, but they're nice because they kind of like, so that you can have like multiple sections for food. The only thing that I couldn't find there were like little sauce containers. They were sadly out of stock, and nothing's worse than like trying to put sauce in like a random container, or you have to put it on the food early and it makes it like soggy or it dries out and it just kind of ruins the vibe. So I got 2 of those. We have these already, but these are a glass reusable container set. I love glass reusable for leftovers or anything like that. The reason why I'm not going to bring these to work is that glass is quite heavy, so not something I want to be toting around, and we hand wash everything, so I'm not super worried about like microplastics or anything. And Austen had asked me to get some cutting boards, so I got a little mini wood cutting board and then a plastic one. I'm a little bit weird about food safety, so I love most things on wood, but if it's like fish or meat, I prefer to use a plastic one just to avoid any like contamination and or like bacteria surfaces that could seep into the wood. That's just like my own logic. And then of course another umbrella. It was literally 4 pounds, and I was like, we can just keep it as like a spare. That's fine. Thankfully it's a pretty slow day and I got started early in the morning, but I'm about to put all this stuff away and then head out to start co-working for the day. We have like a membership at one of the co-working spaces in London. So they have a bunch of different locations. I'm gonna go to one, I think in Marylebone today, because I wanna check out a store in Oxford Circus. So I'm gonna eat lunch and then head over there. Okay, I got some Ouijans to try on. I saw these online on sale and I just had to try them on. These are the soft Ouijans. I didn't know if they were gonna look too casual, and then for fun I'm trying on these, which have like a Western thing. I don't think I would buy these, but I like the style of them, so we'll see. These are kind of cute. Here's the other ones. These are actually a little bit snugger, but I do like the shiny leather more. I'm here at the co-working space.
I just uploaded my London flat tour, which it was because the Wi-Fi at our apartment was out, but it's so nice here. It's just like warm and inviting, and there's plenty of chargers and places to sit. So I'm gonna work for a while and then head home. It's Austen's cooking, and we're all just living in this world, you know? We have some friends today. No, Austen, oh my gosh. No, oh, okay. We've got some movers and shakers over here. Some clams. These are ginormous. Pasta, basil, corn, although I don't know if we're gonna get to the corn, and some more basil.
Squid ink mayo.
Squid ink mayo, apparently for, I assume, the langoustines. And this nice little bottle of wine. Are you excited, Chef Austen, to be on this episode of Chopped in the kitchen?
Wait, I'm gonna get chopped. I didn't realize this is a competition.
These people may be chopped. No, we just have an hour before we have to go meet someone. Austen says this is a clam tongue. Oh, see, he gets scared and he puts it away. Oh my god. My makeup is done. I just need to powder my face. I'm checking in on Chef Austen. Clams are up. Wow, they're really big. The meal is done. Chef Austen did it in, what, 40 minutes? Pretty quick for a grand meal. The pasta is like a corn clam pasta. And here's our langoustines. And Austen made this black garlic.
Squid ink.
No, squid ink. Aioli mayonnaise to go with it. And then we have a nice little white wine that he also used to cook the clams. So delicious. And the clam, those clams were insane looking. I've never ate a clam like that at the restaurant, but mild. And
Yeah.
honestly, like, dare I say, a little sweet.
I mean, they got more complexity than a normal clam.
Pub outfit.
Pub beverage.
Cool shoes.
Oh, they're like socks for your feet.
Great pub outfit. Here's my pub outfit. Just a black Durf Avenue shirt. Girlfriend jeans, some Aid booties. I got some gems on.
Steal her look.
Thank you, Austen. Or just get inspired. All right, good night, guys. Here is my look today. I'm gonna go meet up with my dad at his hotel, and we're gonna do a lot of fun stuff, bring you guys around. This is from Austen. This is Austen's little wool sweater, and I'm wearing baggy jeans from Gold, just my usual sneakers because it might be a little bit wet outside. And then I'm just gonna pop on my Uniqlo trench. This one right here. I don't really even think I need a layer. It's 57, but I felt like this was too sporty. Like, this vest was too sporty, and then this was just right. Plus it has some pockets, so it's functional. We've made it. My dad is, where's my dad?
Very friendly. I ran.
What? Oh, it's fine. I don't think he saw me. Here's my dad. And we're heading to Boots right now. Got a little sprinkle. You find some? You can look at it. I'm finally making my dad some dinner. Have some couscous, some herbs, and then we're going to make some chicken sausage that we got from the farmer's market. Maybe a salad. Or some peppers. Ooh, some peppers. That might be good. And yeah, Austen's not gonna be home for probably a while, so we're gonna eat and enjoy this. I love doing a bunch of herbs for a couscous, something like really plain that just can absorb a lot of flavor, and I made extras so that I can take some to work tomorrow. Things are coming together. I made couscous, green goddess couscous with some cucumber. And then I have these yummy sweet peppers with some garlic, and I'm gonna cut up some onion. And my chicken sausages are about to get some water to steam for a little bit. Dinner! All right, you guys, that is it. My dad is home. I cleaned the entire kitchen, and I'm gonna upload this vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching another London vlog. I have a very exciting one this weekend. We're going away to Kent with Austin's parents, so wish us luck, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!